Yeah. I was wondering if nabot na ba kaha akong gipaabot sa self-containment para sa amuang caravan. And yeah, it's here. And excited na kay ko para ipaod siya sa amuang camper van. So, nana mong self-containment and the expiry date is 5th of October 2029. So, the validity is 4 years. And muni ang sticker nga ipilit diri guys. Pabalo ba mo guys nga diri sa New Zealand, you need to have this self-containment green sticker if mag-build mo og caravan because it is required nga sa mga adto mo sa freedom camping nga naa mo yung own fixed toilet and then water nga nag-equivalent like at least 12 liters per person per day for 3 days. So yun na ang requirement diri, and finally we have it and we're so excited to put this sticker here and this one in the front. So guys, there is a New Zealand, if masapon mo nga wala mo naka self-containment certificate, there is a New Zealand, you'll get fined from $400. So depende sa inyong violation for $400, $1,200 or up to $2,400 guys. So for us, we're so happy nga maka-freedom camping na may anywhere sa New Zealand without being bothered nga maka-fine me or not. And then we can park anywhere. And then one thing guys, nga proud kami ani among build because our one has like 5 seats and then gipa self-containment na mo siya, good for 5 persons. So nakapass siya, that's why we're so happy nga nakapasar ni ang build, especially sa water system nga na-open. So guys, ato nang ibutang atong green sticker and I'm so excited about it. So guys, ato siyang ibutang there sa front. So ibutang na to siya under sa ato ang Origo. So registration sa vehicle. Paod na siya guys. And then we will put this card, make sure nga na siya sa front and it's visible. Kaya usually gina-check na nila dere. This is how they check kung legit ba gid ka. So yeah. So this is it guys, and it's all done. And yeah, we've got the self-containment for 4 years.